Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where we explore the tools that power creativity and performance. Today, we're reviewing a monitor that's purpose-built for professionals, the ASUS ProArt Display PA278QV, a 27-inch WQHD IPS monitor that delivers top-tier color accuracy for photo editing, video production, design, and more. Let's begin with the display. You're getting a 27-inch IPS panel with a resolution of 2560 x 1440 WQHD, that sweet spot between Full HD and 4K. The image is crisp, detailed, and roomy, giving creators the real estate they need to work on timelines, edit high-res images, and multitask like a pro. This display shines when it comes to color accuracy. It covers 100% of the sRGB and Rec. 709 color gamuts and is Calman Verified for factory calibration with a Delta E2, meaning colors are not just vibrant, they're true to life. Whether you're color grading videos, editing raw photos, or working on print design, what you see on screen is what you'll get in the final output. Connectivity is a strong point. The PA278QV comes equipped with DisplayPort, Mini DisplayPort, HDMI, DVI-D, audio in-out, and a built-in USB hub, making it super flexible for any workstation setup. Whether you're using a MacBook, PC, or multi-monitor configuration, this monitor is plug-and-play ready. The ergonomic stand is fully adjustable tilt, swivel, pivot, and height, allowing you to work comfortably at any angle. Need to rotate for portrait editing or vertical content? Just pivot it into place. It's also VESA mountable if you want to go fully modular. This monitor also includes ASUS ProArt presets and ProArt palette, giving you quick access to optimized display modes for sRGB, Rec. 709, DCI-P3, and more, perfect for switching between workflows without reconfiguring settings each time. Anti-glare coating reduces eye strain during long sessions, and with flicker-free technology and low blue light mode, it's ideal for extended productivity without fatigue. So, who is it for? If you're a photographer, video editor, designer, or digital artist, or just someone who wants perfect colors and top-tier build quality, the ASUS ProArt PA278QV is one of the most reliable and accurate monitors under the professional banner. Click the link in the description to check it out now. And don't forget to like, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and tap that notification bell so you never miss your next creative upgrade. See you in the next review.